Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scholar Marketing. Today, I want to go over how to find the buyer presentation in your KW Canva account and how to get started on editing that. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your Canva account for KW. You'll access your KW Canva by going to canva.kw.com and signing in with your command username and password, okay? You'll see at the top it shows KWX Canva is here, and it's built just for you. That will let you know that you are in your KW provided account. And from there, you can go ahead and go to brand on your left-hand menu bar, and then you can find those brand templates, okay? Now these are going to have all of the templates available that you can start customizing, okay? They're going to have ones that are already KW colors, already created for KW, real estate, all of that, okay? And actually right here, I'm seeing modern buyer presentation. So this is the one we're going to look for today. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. Now, when I do that, I'm going to see that this is an 8.5 by 11-inch template. It has quite a few pages. We can shuffle through those. And then we can go ahead and see that it was edited 7 months ago, provided by KW. And we can go ahead and hit use this brand template, okay? Now, once we do that, we are brought into where we can start customizing this, okay? So you can kind of zoom in if you'd like to, and you're just going to go page by page. So you're going to go ahead and change anything that needs to be edited. You can go ahead and swap out your photo. If you've built your brand kit, you should find your photo there, and you can kind of replace that. You should also hopefully be able to find your logo and switch those out. Now, I do find with logos, they don't replace very easily. So generally, you're going to want to just delete the logo, add a new one to the top, and then size it however you want. Okay, so I'm just going to make this here. Go ahead and double click and we can edit our name. And then we can go through the rest of our information. So let's go ahead and do our email, phone number, and our website. Okay. And then we can just keep going through those pages, okay? So you'll see that you're gonna wanna go through every page and really customize this. These are templates. However, the buyer presentation, the listing presentation, you wanna make sure they're custom for you. What are you doing in your business? What are you doing differently? What sets you apart from others? And you really wanna highlight those things in here. So you can, of course, swap out photos. You can rewrite the text here. As you go through, you're going to want to make sure you're editing your name and information anywhere that it's in here. Same for photo. You could put your photo here. If there are pages that you do not want and you'd like to delete those, you can certainly delete them. You can also hide them temporarily. This talks about the team. So maybe you don't have a team and you'd like to remove those. Maybe you just want the one about yourself, okay? And you could change this to say about Scott or about me or whatever you want. But you want to go through every page and really customize this for you. Okay, another one about the team you can hide, or this one is, you could go ahead, like I said, hide that one. Our mission. So you can change that to your mission, my mission. Awards, if you have awards you'd like to highlight, you can kind of plug those in. Again, you always have the option to delete a page if it doesn't fit. And you'll just go through this entire packet. There's quite a few pages. Success stories, so client testimonials, promise to the community. This talks a little bit about KW, so some of this you could probably leave, but you of course want to plug in anywhere that you might need to plug in. So read through every page, every little section. Commitment to your clients, your consultation, your buyer profile, how buying a home works. So what the steps look like. You definitely want to go through those. Your buying process, financing and pre-approval. choosing the right home lender, your recommendation. So who do you recommend? You're going to include those. And if you have more, you can certainly duplicate a page as well. Okay. So if you needed to make a second page and add additional people, your wish list, if they're going to be buying, home wish list, exterior, interior, your neighborhood preference, getting to know the neighborhood, insights, the market. So again, go through this entire packet and remove anything, edit anything that may need to be customized, okay? I'm not going to go through every little page and customize these, but you definitely, as the agent, want to go through every page and really read through everything and make it personal and about you, okay? Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit share, and then you can hit download. You can download the entire packet. You're generally going to want to do this as PDF standard or PDF for print. PDF for print is better for printing if you're going to be printing this out. You could also use this and print it with Canva if you'd like. So if you'd like to make it a booklet, you can certainly do that as well by purchasing through Canva. Okay? I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com, and we're here to help. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.